If you want to close your Apple Music account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth cancellation process. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID associated with your subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the free tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, navigate to account settings or settings to find your subscription details. Step 3. Manage subscription. In account settings, look for the subscriptions option. Tap on it to view your current subscriptions, including Apple Music. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Select Apple Music from the list of subscriptions. You will see an option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After cancelling, you should receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Apple to ensure your account has been closed. Once you have completed these steps, your Apple Music account will be closed at the end of your billing cycle. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Apple support for assistance.